Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
Start by making one full backup copy of the entire game folder, including save data and config files, so you can restore the original quickly. Turn off Cloud Sync and automatic updates to avoid overwriting mods. Confirm the game version matches the mod requirements and patch level. Incompatible versions will crash. Download mods only from trusted community hubs and inspect the README, changelog, and file sizes. Typical cosmetic mods range from 5 MB to 50 MB. Verify integrity. Extract mod archives into the game's mods folder or follow the mod's install instructions exactly. Some mods require specific subfolders. If a mod lists a dependency or loader, install that dependency first and confirm it is enabled. After installation, launch the game in windowed mode to test stability and watch for crashes. Enable just one mod at a time for initial testing, then add more in small batches. Keep a log of changes and the order you installed mods to simplify troubleshooting. If the game crashes after modding, immediately revert to your backup copy and restore the original clean state, then reinstall mods one by one to isolate the issue. Consult the game's log files and the mod README to identify conflicts, missing assets, or required load order. Common problems include texture conflicts and missing DLLs. Keep mods updated after official patches and disable any mod that reports incompatibility. Maintain a dedicated mod folder with version copies so you can roll back to a known working setup quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.